Hello everyone. Welcome to the first episode of the Daily Target series. You would be wondering why am I starting this fourth series on this channel? Because I just came across a website. Let me show you. The website is named CSSBattle, and to be honest, according to me, it is a really good way to practice CSS. As you can see, I have practiced day before, like 2 days before yesterday. Yesterday, not 2 days before. Like this was the first time I came across the website. Then today is the third day, and I thought that I should teach you how to create such, you can say, drawings, but they are more than drawings. So I have completed this one from my side, but I want to show you once that how it is. So you can simply check that how much identical it is by simply clicking on this. As you can see, there isn't much difference, so it has a 100% match rate, which you can check by clicking submit, and they will check that how much of the percentage it is same. As you can see, it's a 100% match. So let me show you how we'll create this one. I'll start with the body. Then I'll create a div, which I'll give the class name mid. I'm first going for this line. Okay, so this. Then we also need to have a closing tag. Now here we'll start the style tag. Okay, so dot mid. First of all, we'll go for body. So body, and all we have to do is give it some background color. In some of them we have to give other properties also, but here we only require to give the background color. You can simply click here to copy it, the background color, or you can simply write it. As you can see, it updates instantaneously. Now it's turn for dot mid. So first of all, I'll give it some size. So let's go with, as you can see, is the size visible here? Like that. Yeah, now it is. So as you can see, the size is 400 by 300. Then this is 400 and this is 300. So I'll give it a height of 300 pixels. And I'll also give it a width of, I'll give an arbitrary value such as 30 pixels. There is some problem with, I don't know why there is such a problem, but if there is, we have to eradicate it. So you can't see it currently because I have to change the color first. It just straight away takes the last color you wrote. So here is the color, and you would be wondering why you can't still see it, because there's a typo. Yeah, now you can see it. Also, you have an option to just slide and check that are they on the current, not current, correct location. I'll just give it a location using position, absolute. Like I have a habit, I would keep the cursor at the middle of the image so that most of the image is visible to me. So now what we have to do is give a top value. So top value should be 0 pixels, as we wanted to touch the top. And the left value, should be, I think, 100 pixels. No, We have to go for more. 150, 160. Like this is more of a hit and trial. 180. 185 looks correct. Yep. So we are done with at least the mid. Now we have to add another divs. Like I won't say another, like we need more divs, obviously. Maybe it is because I removed all the code that was previously written. That is why it is, you can say, kind of retaliating against me. Today I created and came up with the idea later on. So, but from tomorrow, you would be seeing all of them straight away. Like we would be building it together. I wouldn't be building it in advance and checking that can I even make it. So outer, and the outer should first of all have again a width and a height. My bad. 100 pixels. 100 pixels. And we also need a background color. So background color, which is hashtag 66284A. Okay, I put the wrong brackets. My bad. So as you can see, the square has appeared there. We'll also like copy paste it. So copy, paste, and that is just because we need to have it on both sides. So giving properties together is rather easier than later on working on creating another. Like it would just take more words. And on this website, they also count how many, you can say, characters it took you to create that same effect. So characters obviously do matter here. Now, as I gave additional class names which are first and second, so I'll just simply write top and why isn't it working? Left. Wait, let me just do this. Okay, I didn't even give position absolute. I'll also give the position absolute here because it is same for both. Position absolute. And now it looks really worse than it should. Okay, so it's almost there. So like I would give it a value here of 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, or maybe 45. No, 40 is correct. And then we also have to do that hit and trial for the top. So I'll just go with 90. because there is a little bit difference in the sizes, so we need to, like, I'll arbitrarily go for 120. Yeah, it is correct. And 120. As you can see, it is exactly what the size needs to be. Now what I'll do is, as we know, like the top value has to remain same and the left value will just turn into right value for the second. So instead of wasting your time, I'll just simply copy paste and I'll show you. As you can see, it is exactly on place. Now we need to put some smaller circles inside them. So for that, I'll do a simple thing, which is I'll create another div. Class name would be, I'll name it inner. And we need not give them first or second again because of a simple reason. We are putting it inside the div, so they can't just get mixed up. They'll be unique to their own div. So I'll also name it inner div close. And now all I have to do is dot inner, give it some width. Suppose I'll give it 70 pixels. Like I think near about 70 pixels would be enough. And height again 70 pixels. You can't see it because of obvious reasons, which wouldn't be for long. So what we have to do is F0 CD. As you can, now it is a little bit visible. CD and then 48. Now you can see it, but it is currently a square. Let me sort it out. So border radius 50%. Yeah. And now just to bring it in the center, you know what we obviously do for that. To center a div, display flex, justify content, center, and align items, not align content. Align items, center. And you can see it is in the center, but it's a little bit bigger. But that isn't that much of a problem. We can simply remove it by 60 and 60. Yeah. Luck by chance, you can say it is luck by chance, but we got the exact value. Now all we have to do is bring this line connecting the both circles. So again, we need a div. So I'll call that div joint because it is joining both the circles. So now I'll be copying some properties from our mid. Like I'll copy it all because some properties are obviously going to be used in all of them. So V, and I'll change the mid to joint. And we need to change the, like now the width will become height. First of all, that's a change. Because simply the width is near about what we want here. You can see it is at the top right now. Like we need to decrease the width. Maybe 200? Nah. 100? Too less. 150? Yep. Near about what we want. So what I'll do is, like in such conditions, we have to use the position absolute only, because that's the nearest way we can take it. So what value we can give, like 100, near about. Ow. Maybe 150. No, we need less. 140, 30, 135. Like, you have to see that little bit difference to get on the exact number you need. So here 175, maybe 65, 55, and the width is just more. All we have to do now is decrease the width. I'll go for 120, no, 110. You can also go for 100. So this is, as you can see, that it is exactly the same. We could have also done it with a difference check. Like, it simply tells us where the difference is. You can see there are only the circles visible, and that's just a minor difference, so it doesn't even render it whenever you click submit. And you can simply click submit, and it will say 100% match. As you can see, it is 100% match. So from now on, daily you would be getting these videos. For all the other 3 series, I have decided that I would be releasing video of 1 series on Wednesday. Like, most probably it would be the web element series. Then on Saturday I would be releasing the video for the experimentals, and the Sunday was already fixed for the See Unraveled series. So this would be the daily video, and those would be additional, like they would be seen on the respective days I have declared right now. I would also post it in the community. So thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.